Hello everyone, this is Manoj and welcome back in my channel English Room, and today we are going to discuss about past simple. So let's get started. I have divided this past simple tense in three categories, and the first category is affirmative, and the second category is negative, and last and third category is interrogative. So let's see the first category, how can we use it. And the name of the first category is affirmative, yes. And the formula of affirmative sentences we can make: put first subject, then second verb of the verb and other words. By the example we can understand the concept of first rule. You ate the food. This is subject, this is second form of the verb, and this is other word. Subject, she wrote a letter. Second form of the verb, we made a mistake. Subject and second form of the verb, a mistake. I tried my best to clear this exam. So now let's see what is regular verbs. Generally we use regular or irregular verbs in past simple. So first see the regular. What is regular verb? Regular verbs are those verbs which are ended, which are ended in at the end of ed. Yes. So let's see. Work, I have written here work, and work we write worked. Second form of work is worked. This word is ending with ed. Now the second word, cleaned. Third word, started is also ends with ed. Stayed. This is also ends with ed. Danced. And so this is the reason these all verbs are regular verbs. Now the irregular concept of irregular verbs. I have written here 20 irregular verbs, but you can find so many irregular verbs. So see what is irregular verbs. First word is began, buy, bought, come, came, do, did, drink, drank, eat, ate, find, found, forget, forgot, get, got, go, went, know, knew, lose, lost, pay, paid, ring, rang, say, said, sail, sold, sleep, slept, take, took, think, thought, write, wrote. This is nothing. This is first form of the verb, and this is second form of the verb. First form of the verb and they are second form of the verbs. So you don't have any another option. You have only one option, and that is you have to remember all the words and their second form of the verb to use it in past simple. So now come on our second concept. As I have told you, I have divided this concept in three categories: affirmative, negative and interrogative. Now the second type of sentences we can make, and that is negative sentences. And the formula of to make negative sentences in past simple is subject, did not, then first form of the verb and other words. Object, subject, they did not beat your friend. They, then did, then not, beat, first form of verb, then your friend. We have to follow this sequence. Now I did not watch television yesterday. You can see I have written here first subject, then I put here did, then the next series, in the series I have to put not, then first form of verb and other words. I played Ludo yesterday, but I did not win. Now the last example of negative sentence, she did not have lunch. Now third concept, third and last concept of past simple is interrogative sentences. How can we make, how can we form questions in past simples? So let's see the third rule and formula of past simple is WH family. WH family means why, when, how, like these words we can use, and then use did, then subject, then if you want to use not, if your subject is, your interrogative sentence is in not in negative form, then you can use not, then first form of the verb, and then other words. First we are going to see the examples. When did we make a mistake? WH family word, this is WH family word, then use did, then subject, then not if you want to use, but I don't need, I do not want to use any negative sentence, that is the reason I did not use here not. So when did we make a mistake? Now this is not a, this sentence is not related to WH family word, so that is the reason I have started this sentence from did, from did. So did you watch television last night? Now the second sentence, why did you not sleep last night? Now this is the sequence I have followed, this sequence I have followed in this sentence. See, WH family word, why did you not, I have not here, why did you not sleep last night? Now the fourth sentence, why did you not complete your office work yesterday? Now fifth sentence, did you go to school today? And sixth, why did you come late today? So follow, I hope you have got all the things, and thank you so much for watching this video, and please follow my Instagram ID English ENGLI then dot SHROOM